Hello, my name is Chris Palmer, and in today's How to Get Backlinks Using Blackhat SEO video, I'd like to discuss some Blackhat SEO techniques that you can utilize in order to gain backlinks, a way that you can hide backlinks, a way to potentially negative SEO somebody, and at the end of the day, this is for educational purposes only. I want to walk you through what I'm talking about, some testing and some fun that I've been implementing and testing out and trying out. Also, ways that you can safeguard yourself. And more so, I want to walk you through what I'm talking about and how it works. Then I'm going to simply implement it. I will walk you through exactly how to implement it on your site. And then I will go over ways that it could harm your site and ways you can protect yourself. So that's how this video is going to be laid out. So this is what it will look like. All right. And this simple little tag is so powerful. So I want to go ahead and just show you just a few things of what I've been working on. So what I'm noticing is this. Let's say that there is a site, and a site has an image on it. So this is a website, and the website has an image. An eye is an image. Now what I do is I take this code and I place it on my site. Right? So here's the code, and it will display the image. Now, what I am noticing, I take links and I point them at the image source, right? An HTTPS image source that's on this page. I point links here. I'm noticing that the links are showing up on the test pages. Now, this is a very interesting concept because if I have an unsuspecting website that is hosting an image, and I take that image and I put it on my site, this is called hot linking, and I add links to their website, I am literally starting to see these links show up inside of my tools and within Search Console. And this is very interesting to me. Now, it is taking some time, and not every site will allow this, but I am noticing that links are starting to show up. But a bad scenario, right? So this is going to be bad. We're going to do a red check mark, would be, and this is all going to be red. What if you have a site and it's your site, and there's an image on that site, and somebody takes this image and has 1, 2, let's say times 50. Using this simple little code, they take it and place it on 50 websites. Then they send links to all of these sites, but these links are not just normal, ordinary links, the absolute bottom of the barrel black hat links. All of that is going back to this site. Along with that, they're running traffic and clicking on this particular, they're running traffic to it. They're sending bad links to it. What will happen to this page, now again, I will show you how to implement this. Now, we're not here to debate anything other than me showing you for educational purposes. All right, so what we will go ahead and do is I'm going to hop over here. I launched a brand new page. All right, so let me just go ahead and show you how to implement this. So let's just do a quick search. We're going to see if we can find an image. We're going to do SEO. We are going to go over to the images. We're just going to scroll down. We don't want anything up at the top because, as you can see, these are sites like Mangools. I mean, I know SEO, so these are Neil Patel, Impact Bound. I mean, Search Engine Journal. I mean, we don't want to use any images from those particular sites. I personally have never heard of this. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to the actual site. I want to find the image. Once you're on the site, all we're going to have to do is we're going to right click here and we're going to go to open image, and we can see that it's a PNG, so that's perfectly fine. What you'll then do is you're just going to copy this address right here, and then we're going to pop right back over here just to make it easy. We are going to simply open up a text tab. I'm going to put that address right here. And let me go ahead and move this to the middle so everybody can see it. So now we have their address. Here's what we're going to do. We're going to go ahead and just add in our open-end img space src equals. We're going to go ahead and put this in parentheses. We're going to put this in parentheses. Then we're going to go ahead and close it out. Now all we're going to do is we're going to copy what we have just taken. We're going to go back to our page that we've just launched. And we're going to go to the HTML. This is a simple HTML editor. We're going to put this right in here, paste it right inside of there. We're going to go to the preview. And as you can see, now we have the image. So all I'm going to do is I'm just going to update this page. And then for fun, we are on this page right here. Let me grab the page. So then we'll go back over here to this browser. And here's the image that we took from the website. We're in a brand new browser. I want to make sure it's not on the preview page. So as you can see, now we have this image, but this image is not being hosted on my site. This image is literally just a glimpse. It's being loaded by their resources. All right, now if we just take a right click and we go to view page source, as you can see here, what we're going to do is we're going to look for the SRC element. Actually, we're going to look for blog tyrant. So, all right, and here it is right here. We have now hot linked into our website. So again, if I were to go to this page and start sending links to it, I would notice some benefit. What I have noticed with playing with these things is this has 4 links. Something that's already there, I'm not sure why it's not showing up. I've let these tests that I've ran sit, and say this has 4 links. If I let this sit on my site, which I will not be doing, this is just for educational purposes, these links wouldn't show up. But if I start building links, I have noticed them starting to show up. I've even noticed that my spam indicators on tools are showing me indication of spam. So that is how easy it is to implement. Now let's talk about safeguarding your site so people are not utilizing your resources, using your website resources, building links to your site that could harm you and benefit them, or vice versa. So it's a very simple thing to be done, and this is what we're going to end on. This is a way to safeguard yourself. If you're looking to safeguard yourself from doing this, it's a simple rewrite as far as putting it inside of your HT access or putting it into your rewrite. So all you need to do is go to Google, and if you do not want this to happen to you, there are codes. There's also scripts that you can do, and what you want to do is just type in how to prevent hot linking, and you will then find your answer on how to stop this. So my name is Chris Palmer. If you have any questions about how to get backlinks, getting the blackhat backlinks, how to implement or stop negative SEO, if you're curious about blackhat SEO, gray hat SEO, white hat SEO, really anything SEO, digital marketing, internet marketing related, please always feel free to ask in the comments below, and I look forward to seeing you in the next How to Get Backlinks Black Hat SEO video. Have a wonderful day.